I'm a software developer that's created websites across different industries: the real estate industry, the steel industry, the trading industry, and now the pool installation business industry. As a software developer, I have seen red flags in websites that are costing local businesses deals. And the point of this video is to address what these two red flags are and their possible solutions to them. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing that actually costs a lot of businesses deals is that their websites have bad messaging. So the first thing, like I said before, is bad messaging. And in this website, we have a lot of things going on, a lot of things being said. So let me read them. On today, the highest quality complete swimming pools, or the new trending extraordinary transparent swimming pools, all protected and secured with swimming pool safety covers, also beautiful romantic waterfalls and fountains, and gets 100% guarantee against defects failure. I'm so confused. I am literally like I actually try my best to make sense with all this, but the whole messaging and just like pulling in different angles, pulling in different directions, and making me confused. And the reason why this is terribly bad is because when a normal lead, like okay, you for instance, go to a website and the homepage alone, the hero section alone, the first thing you're seeing in the website is actually confusing you. The first thing you do is, I do not need to read this. Like, let me click off, let me come here, hit this X button, and dip, let me leave this space. So that's exactly the kind of vibes I'm getting here. So the easiest way to fix this is before building any website, before building any website, before giving to my UI UX design team to design a website for me, is I actually first go to Google Doc and split out everything everything I want to be written on the website. That is the contents of the website. Everything should be written down here. That's from the home page to the contacts page to the project past projects page to about us sections to like the difference to your blogs, etc. Different things. Everything should be first written in the Google documents by, because I'm a writer, so I can just like write this myself. Then yeah, I can just write this myself. So even going deeper into this, yeah. So like I said, to fix bad messaging, the first thing you need to do is address the targets markets that you're trying to solve, that you're trying to service. And for this, because this actually is a demo that I actually made for someone, and it goes straight into luxury pool design for people living in Miami. So if anyone in Miami says this, I'm like, well, I'm in Miami, so let me see what these guys have to say. So if it then it now goes to the sub headline. The sub headline basically is to amplify the pain or the possible pain that your audience may be facing. So now in the pool business industry, I've seen so many pool owners like complain the after they paid 50 grand, $50,000, which is a lot of money, to some kind of pool business owner to come and make their pool for them, they were highly dissatisfied. So that's what the subheadline is meant to address. The subheadline is meant to address any negativity or any frustration that that audience might be having, and try to pull it in your own favor. So now let me give an example. If you think hiring a professional is expensive, wait until you see how expensive hiring an amateur can be. So like I said again, a pool owner paid a pool business owner $50,000 to fix and customize a pool for them, and did rubbish. So he had to get another pool business to come and fix the old person's mistakes. So all those kind of things, not they're not just frustrating, but they're also more expensive. And the thing is that you can pull this in your own favor, especially when you're someone that has been frustrated with I'm frustrated with like attracting clients that just wants cheap products. So now, if a lead now says it's like, okay, um, I know I want something cheaper, but these guys are saying that in the long run, or maybe even 3 months from now, 6 months from now, it's gonna be more expensive hiring this cheap guy. So why don't I just go with this guy? Why don't I just go with you? Since he knows what he's doing. So that's what the headline is for. So that's what your message is meant to pass across. So the second red flag that actually kills a lot of businesses is their design. Is hard. Is their website design is. Let me use the word bad, because I'm actually recording on Easter, and I'm trying to use good words like yeah. So it's hard to navigate. So now they're just a lot of words just thrown on the websites, and it's not making me the reader or the lead, like it's not making anything easy for me to read. So I'm less convinced about this business because like just looking at the websites alone, and okay, let me know. Let me come to services. Let me see what they have. Pool renovation. Renovation. Okay, it's not even working. The link isn't even working. So look, the link isn't even working. So this is one of the things that kills a lot of deals, hands down. So, and the easiest way to do this is actually designing a proper website. And I'm not sure how I do mine because I actually use mine with a tool called Framer. So Framer is a web builder tool, and I could have used other web builders, or I could even design a website from scratch. Just it could take longer, and I've seen that using Framer it takes less than a week, and most of the time, so I'm already done with the project. So now this is the website I made using Framer, and the name is Aqua Edge. Yeah. So like I said again, first before putting my contents on the website, it's actually first on my Google Doc. So it just made things easier for me to like paste. So now luxury pool design for people living in Miami, and the sub headline goes again. If you think hiring a professional is expensive, wait until you see how expensive hiring an amateur can be. This is just to pass your message across that hey, I'm not cheap. I'm like if you come to me, you're going to get a well done service. Like I'm going to service you well, and you will not regret anything. Just that with that, it comes with a price. But if you want to go for the cheap guy, you may regret later. You may regret later in the long run. So yeah, it just sets you apart from it just sets you apart from cheap, basically. So when a lead comes in, their mind is already prepped that okay, like I'm receiving premium service which comes with premium pricing, and I'm okay with that. So exactly. So with that, explain the services you do, residential projects. I also do commercial projects, full construction, pool renovations, backyard renovations, even detecting leaks. So these are past projects. And yeah, let me just quickly go to the past project section. So now, examples of past projects: one in Ventura, Florida, New York City, Ventura, I've said that again, Miami Beach, Penthouse, Oasis, etc., etc., etc. So this is to show your past projects and how competent you are as a person, as a business owner. Exactly. So yeah. So basically, just showing your past projects. Then right after that, come to the contact us form, and this is where a lead can make an appointment to you. So I've seen that some people prefer using the Canopy booking link. Some while others prefer using site forms. So it depends on your style of marketing, basically. There. Yeah. So this basically is all. And all right. So this basically is all. And like I said, was this was a project demo I did for Aqua Edge. And I'm actually taking more free demos so I can stack up my, oh my God, excuse me. So I'm taking more free demos so I can stack up my resume in this niche. So if you're a poor business owner seeing this, just click the link below, and I'm going to, if you're interested in getting a free website, basically, I'm going to design one for you and send over your way. And all I ask is a testimonial, and if likely, refer me to your friends. Yeah, I said it. I said it. I said it. I said it. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, and I have more coming up. Bye.